This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the essentials. Enable ORA mesh tools and confirm plugin version. Import the character model and immediately check scale and origin so transforms are correct. Once done, assign a base material and bind texture maps at 2048px or 4096px, depending on quality needs. Make sure polygon count is reasonable. You want detail without killing FPS. Don't stall on preferences. Get to the mesh import and material assign steps now so the rest of the workflow runs smoothly. Next, you rig and refine. Apply the skeleton and align joint orientation and naming so ORA recognizes it. Once rigged, paint skin weights on limbs, hips, and spine, alternate smoothing and mirror to accelerate symmetry. Add blend shapes or corrective poses for deep bends and foot roll. These prevent geometry collapse during extreme moves. Play dance clips at 30 FPS to preview deformation and fix problem areas iteratively. Make small, targeted adjustments rather than global changes. To finish, bake animations and export the mesh with 1 or 2 LODs, making sure morphs and skin data are included. Once exported, test playback in ORA and inspect contact points, clipping, and animation loops. Run the sequence end to end. If things go wrong, isolate the problematic mesh region and reweight or add a corrective shape, then clear the cache and reload the scene. Finally, make small export tweaks and retest until the dance moves look natural and run at target performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.